Hey, what's up? How's it going? Welcome. So kiddos, this is our assessment. So this is the test that you would have gotten in class. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna read through the test. You're gonna take it like it was a real assessment. And if I'm going too fast, just literally pause the YouTube video, pick your answer. Then I'm gonna go back through and I'm gonna give you the answers because clearly I'm not collecting this test. So I want you to actually go back through and be like, oh, or like either like, great job, I'm gonna kiss my brain, or be like, oops, I made a mistake, I'm gonna fix it, and then kiss my brain, okay? So we're gonna go over the O, ow, ooh, and sounds. These were hanging in my classroom, so you would have been able to see them. So this is the O sound, the ow sound, the ooh sound, and the sound. All right, so read the words, underline the spelling pattern in each word, then write the vowel sound. So basically, you would read this word, you're going to underline what makes it the O, ow, or oo sound, and then write the vowel sound. So you're either going to be writing, if it's O, put an O here with a hat on it. If it's ow, you're going to put an OW. If it's ooh, like goo, you're going to put the OO with a line over it. And if it's like foot, you're gonna do a double O, okay? So read each word. I can't read it to you. Underline what the O, ow, or oo is. And then write O, ow, oo, O, ow, oo, Okay, then on the back side, so pause it guys, work through that. On the back side, word analysis, comparative and superlative endings, irregular comparatives, suffixes, ness, or. You've done all of this week. I'm not going to explain anything because I really wouldn't on a test. So I'll just read it to you. You do it, and I'll go give you the answer. This book is the good, better, best. The donkey is small, smaller, worse than a horse. Small, smaller, worst. Okay, then suffixes. Add the suffix to the base word and then write the new word. Then write the meaning of the new word. So act plus or, write the word. Tell me what that word means. Walk plus tell me the new word. Tell me what it means. Kind plus ness, tell me the word. Tell me what it means. Okay. We're gonna go back through it. Guys, I really hope you actually paused that video and took it because honestly, this is the way, because all this stuff is what you should know. So, and it's complicated. It's okay if you didn't do it perfectly, but actually try. Because if you don't try, you're really not growing your brain. It's that growth mindset, right? Pause the video, just try, and then I'll help you, okay? You're not gonna get in trouble for knowing it or not knowing it, but it is growing your brain better. Okay, note. This is note. If you didn't read it correctly, read it now. Just practice it. Note. I wrote a note to my mom for Mother's Day. Underline the spelling pattern. The spelling pattern is O consonant E, and the O consonant E makes a long O sound. Okay, so that's how I did the first one. If now you're like, oh, that's how you do it, pause it, try the next four, and then start it again to see what the answers are. Good. This word should have been good. It has an O sound. That's what makes the sound. That's like foot. So it's just O. Okay, it's the sound. Noon. What makes the sound is that there's a double O. It's not O, ow, It's ooh, ooh. It's ooh like goo. It's ooh like goo. This line with a line. Noon, goo, so it's with the two O's with a line above it. Ouch, ow. O-U works together, and it makes the ow sound, like cow. And then took, it's like foot, O-O. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Backside, comparative is when you're comparing two things, comparing this compared to this. Superlative is when you have three or more, like smallest, biggest. Okay, you're comparing it to a group. So this book is the good. This book is the better. This book is the best. If it's saying this book is the what, it's related to all the other books. You're saying this book is the best because you are comparing it to all other books, which is definitely more than one. A donkey is blank than a horse. Okay, you're comparing a donkey and a horse. So a donkey is small than a horse. No, a donkey is smaller than a horse. A donkey is worse than a horse. Smaller is comparing two things. So you could say a donkey is smaller than a horse. I'm writing messy, write better than me. All the add the suffix to the base word and write the new word, then add the meaning of the word. So act plus or, actor. And there's two consonants, so you don't have to do anything. It's just actor. The new meaning, if you add an OR and ER, is a person, someone who. It's a person or a thing that does it. So it's a person who acts. Cool. Okay, walker is a walker. Has two consonants. We can just add the ER. Walker. A walker is a person who walks. Cool. You guys are all walkers. Woohoo! Okay, kind plus ness equals kindness. Now this ness is not being, or is about being. It's not a person or a thing that is kind. It's being kind. So you can say, I love when my kids show kindness, or I love when my kids are being kind. Okay, they mean the same thing. That's it, kidlets.